Hey there, car enthusiasts! Imagine a vehicle that blends the ruggedness of a classic pickup truck with the futuristic features of modern-day tech. What if I told you that Toyota just dropped some major news about the long-anticipated 2025 Toyota Stout? That's right, the legendary Toyota Stout is making a bold comeback, and it's packed with jaw-dropping features you won't believe. From its stunning design to its state-of-the-art technology, this is not just a truck, it's a glimpse into the future of mid-sized pickups. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about this game-changing vehicle. Stick around to the end because you'll want to hear about the mind-blowing tech upgrades that set this truck apart from the rest. So what's the first thing you're looking for in a modern truck? Is it design, performance, or tech features? Drop your thoughts in the comments below while we get started. Before we jump into the exciting features, let's take a trip down memory lane. Did you know the Toyota Stout was one of Toyota's first entries into the pickup truck market? Originally introduced in the 1950s, this compact truck was ahead of its time. It wasn't just a workhorse, it was a symbol of reliability and innovation, paving the way for iconic Toyota pickups like the Hilux and Tacoma. Designed to tackle heavy loads with ease, the Stout quickly earned a reputation for being tough, durable, and incredibly versatile. Over the decades, the Stout faded from the spotlight as Toyota shifted focus to other models, but the growing demand for mid-sized trucks with a balance of capability and comfort has made 2025 the perfect time for its revival. Toyota's CEO has emphasized that the new Stout will combine the brand's heritage of reliability with groundbreaking modern features to create a truck unlike any other. Why bring back the Stout now? The mid-sized pickup market is booming, with drivers seeking vehicles that can handle both city commutes and off-road adventures. Toyota aims to capture this market with a truck that's as versatile as it is innovative. The 2025 Stout promises to redefine what a mid-sized truck can be, offering something for everyone from outdoor enthusiasts to urban drivers. Are you a fan of Toyota's older pickups, or are you new to the brand's truck lineup? Let us know in the comments which Toyota truck has been your favorite so far and why. Now, let's talk about the first thing everyone notices: the design. The 2025 Toyota Stout isn't just a truck, it's a statement. With its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines, the Stout commands attention on the road. Toyota has seamlessly blended rugged functionality with modern aesthetics. The front fascia features a large, hexagonal grille flanked by slim, aggressive headlights, giving the truck a futuristic yet robust appearance. From the side, the aerodynamic contours enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining the truck's commanding presence. The wheel arches are slightly flared, emphasizing the Stout's off-road capabilities. The Stout comes in multiple color options, including some bold new shades like electric blue metallic and sandstorm beige, ensuring there's a style to suit every driver. And let's not forget those wheels. The base model features durable 18-inch alloys, while higher trims offer 20-inch premium options with an off-road focus for those who crave adventure. Another standout feature is the bed. Toyota has gone above and beyond with a modular bed design that can be customized for work, adventure, or daily errands. Need a tailgate that doubles as a workbench? The Stout has you covered. There's even a built-in power outlet for charging tools, camping gear, or anything else you need on the go. Plus, the durable bed liner ensures that this truck is ready for heavy-duty use. What do you think of the Stout's modern yet rugged look? Would you rock this truck on city streets or take it straight to the mountains? Let us know how you'd use it in the comments below. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Stout, and you'll find a cabin that's designed to impress. Toyota has focused on comfort and functionality, offering seating for up to 5 passengers. High-quality materials like soft-touched leather and brushed aluminum accents create a premium vibe that you'd expect from a luxury SUV. But this isn't just about aesthetics. Toyota has packed the interior with features that make every journey enjoyable. The seats are a highlight. Ergonomically designed, they provide excellent support for long drives, and higher trims come with options for heating, ventilation, and even memory settings. The rear seats are equally impressive, offering ample legroom and the ability to fold down for additional storage space. Speaking of storage, the Stout includes clever compartments under the rear seats and in the center console, perfect for stashing your essentials. Another standout feature, the panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. It's perfect for those scenic drives or stargazing during overnight trips. RB asks about the stargazing trip. If you're someone who loves staying connected, you'll appreciate the multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pad, and even a 12-volt outlet for added convenience. The sound system is another area where Toyota has pulled out all the stops. The higher trims offer a premium audio system developed in collaboration with JBL, ensuring crystal clear sound quality whether you're listening to your favorite podcasts or blasting tunes on a road trip. What's your must-have feature in a truck's interior? Are you all about comfort, or do you prioritize functionality? Share your thoughts and wish list for the perfect truck interior in the comments below. Now here's where things get really exciting. The Toyota Stout 2025 is packed with cutting-edge technology that will leave you speechless. The Stout also boasts an upgraded suspension system with increased ground clearance, skid plates, and off-road tuned shock absorbers. Whether you're climbing rocky paths, driving through sandy dunes, or fording streams, this truck has got you covered. Toyota has also integrated a crawl control feature, a low-speed cruise control designed specifically for challenging terrains. This system automatically adjusts the throttle and brakes to maintain a consistent speed, allowing drivers to focus solely on steering. And let's talk tires. The Stout's off-road trims come with 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in rugged all-terrain tires. This combination ensures exceptional grip, stability, and control no matter where you venture. Additionally, the truck's durable frame is designed to withstand the harshest conditions, giving you confidence in every journey. For those who love off-road gadgets, the Stout includes accessory-ready mounting points for winches, light bars, and roof tents. Plus, the rear-locking differential ensures maximum traction, even in the trickiest situations. Let's start with the centerpiece, a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Toyota's latest software. The interface is intuitive, with seamless integration for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier than ever to stay connected on the go. Voice controls allow you to adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The Stout also features a fully digital instrument cluster that's customizable to display everything from navigation to off-road stats. This allows drivers to keep their focus on the road while accessing key information at a glance. Toyota's advanced driving modes add another layer of convenience, optimizing performance for snow, sand, mud, and even rock crawling. And with just a twist of a dial, you can adapt the truck's settings to tackle any terrain. Safety is another area where the Stout excels. The truck comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system offers a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Higher trims take it a step further with a head-up display and a semi-autonomous driving mode for effortless highway cruising. And let's not forget the smart key system. With proximity sensors, you can unlock your truck and even start it without ever taking the key out of your pocket. The Stout also includes over-the-air updates for its software, ensuring your truck's tech stays up to date with the latest features and improvements. Here's a fun question for you. Which tech feature are you most excited about? Is it the huge touchscreen, the off-road modes, or perhaps the safety features? Let us know what's topping your wish list in the comments below. The 2025 Toyota Stout offers two impressive powertrain options, a robust 2.4L gas engine and a turbocharged 2.4L gas engine. The hybrid model promises best-in-class fuel efficiency, making it a top contender for daily drivers and adventure seekers alike. Toyota has engineered the Stout's hybrid system to deliver seamless acceleration and optimal power output. With 250 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque, the hybrid ensures you get all the performance without sacrificing efficiency. Meanwhile, the turbocharged version kicks things up a notch, offering an exhilarating 300 horsepower with remarkable towing capabilities up to 6,000 pounds. This means you can haul your boat, trailer, or camping gear without breaking sweat. For transmission, Toyota has equipped the Stout with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, designed to deliver smooth shifts and enhanced fuel economy. Additionally, the hybrid variant comes with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, ECVT, for a seamless driving experience. What about fuel economy? The hybrid Stout is expected to achieve an impressive 40 miles per gallon, setting a benchmark in the compact truck category. Meanwhile, the gas-powered variant delivers a respectable 28 miles per gallon, which is still commendable given its power. The Stout's engineering excellence extends to its performance on the road. With a responsive throttle and finely tuned suspension, it handles corners and rough roads with ease. Drivers can also switch between normal, sport, and eco drive modes to tailor their driving experience. What do you think about these engine options? Are you team hybrid for its efficiency or team turbocharged for its raw power? Let us know in the comments below. Would you prioritize performance or fuel economy for your next truck? If off-roading is your thing, the Toyota Stout 2025 will leave you grinning from ear to ear. Designed with Toyota's legendary durability in mind, this truck is ready to conquer all terrains. It comes equipped with a standard all-wheel drive system and selectable drive modes for mud, sand, and snow. The higher trims include Toyota's advanced multi-terrain monitor, which gives you a real-time view of the road beneath, perfect for tackling those tricky trails. What's your dream off-road destination? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know if the Stout's features are enough to tackle your adventures. Have you ever faced a trail that demanded this level of capability? Safety first. The Toyota Stout 2025 takes driver and passenger safety to a whole new level. Every Stout comes with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite as standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection. And for added peace of mind, there's also a blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. The Stout's high-strength steel frame has been designed to provide maximum crash protection, while 8 strategically placed airbags ensure comprehensive coverage. Higher trims also offer a 360-degree camera system, making parking and navigating tight spaces a breeze. One standout feature is Toyota's proactive driving assist, which predicts potential hazards and actively supports the driver with gentle braking and steering inputs. Another unique feature is the Stout's integrated emergency communication system, which can automatically alert emergency services in the event of a crash. For night driving, the Stout offers adaptive LED headlights that adjust their beam pattern based on traffic conditions, ensuring optimal visibility without blinding other drivers.